Hello and welcome back everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful festive season. So in today's video, I plan to paint two easy paintings with you. These are going to be super simple and easy to make. All you need is an acrylic painting paper, or even go ahead and enjoy making them on canvas board. You can also share them as cards or keep them as beautiful, cute paintings and enjoy coloring this season. So for coloring, here I took this flat brush, which I also dipped in water just to keep the colors a little moist. And in step 1, we are going to be making the background.
Sunsets in Boston, kissing yellow concrete. We watched all of them together until we couldn't go to sleep. Wish it lasted forever, but it faded away. I was wrong, you were right. We couldn't stand tall under the fire. Somewhere I can see the silver lining, but it's so far away. Told me about you, said you were moving back. And could I steal you for a moment to pretend there's still something from the past? Wish it lasted forever, but it faded away. I was wrong, you were right. We couldn't stand tall under the fire. Somewhere I can see the silver lining, but it's so far away. I was wrong, you were right. We couldn't stand tall under the fire. Somewhere I can see the silver lining, but it's so far away. You went on alone. Still I think about you often, 'cause ever since you've been gone, I've been staring at the sunsets of Boston. I was wrong, you were right. We couldn't stand tall under the fire.
Now let's quickly move on to the next painting, which is going to be about Christmas ornament. So the inspiration is kept right next to me. I quickly click the image and I'm all set to paint now. And here all we need to do to this simple circle is to create an illusion of a 3D surface which is protruding and which has a beautiful circular shape. So that's what we're going to be doing in this painting, which is going to be very simple and easy. And if in case you wish to learn any beginner special paintings or get into some advanced level art lessons, then you can always join me on my Patreon. There you'll be able to find classes in detail and in real time with my personal guidance and support. So you can enjoy the classes there. The link will be mentioned in the description box below. And now let's quickly go ahead and enjoy making this painting together. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed making them with me, and I wish you Merry Christmas. May you have a beautiful and blessed New Year. I'm sending you all my love and warm tight hugs, and a big thank you for all your love and support. Please take care, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.